If you want to add fingerprint on Google Pixel 9a, first of all, we need to open Settings. Now, in the Settings, scroll down until you find Security and Privacy, and then choose it. Over here, we want to choose Device Unlock, and after that, we want to go to Face and Fingerprint Unlock, but actually before you do that, make sure that you have a screen lock enabled. Then proceed, enter the screen lock password. There we go. And after that, we can choose Fingerprint Unlock. Over here, scroll down, press I agree, and then press Start. Now over here, we need to tap on, or actually not tap, but place your finger on the sensor, and then lift your finger. Touch again, and do this several times until this whole circle is filled. And try to scan your finger from different angles and different positions so that you can scan actually the most of your finger. And there we go. You might also see some tips over here. They can be quite useful as well, so remember to take a look at them from time to time. And there we go. Now we have added our fingerprint. From here you can add another fingerprint, so you can scan another finger or scan the same finger again, so just to make sure that it is scanned properly. And then we can also press done if you don't want to do any of that. And there we go. Here we can find our fingerprint, you can remove it here. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!